Hey guys, what is going on? This is Coding Mania here, back again with another YouTube video. And in this video, we're going to be looking at HTML and CSS series for beginners. Okay, to get started, first of all, we have to download something we need for HTML. And the best thing I recommend as a programming software is you can either get Notepad++ or Sublime, and I'll show you both in a second. So first of all, we'll check out Notepad++. Notepad++ and just download, or just simply type Notepad++ is fine as well. And now this will pop up. So this is a bit, so you can get the actual link from here or the first link down here, and you click this. So this is the current Notepad++. You can just hit download and it will download. This is for 32-bit. So if you want 64-bit, you have to scroll down and then accordingly take your package. And if you don't know what operating system you have, all you have to do is go to settings, right? And then you want to go and click system. Let's click that. And then you want to go down, you want to click about, and then you can see here it says system type 64 operated bit, 64 base processor, and parental pen support, blah blah blah. So you have all these cool stuff over here. So this is your 64 operating bit, so you might have 32, who knows, so just take accordingly. So that's the first one, but the second one I'm gonna use during our series because, well, I just find that a little more comfortable because I've been using Notepad++ for too long. So I find this one a little more convenient now, because with Sublime, that's what it's called, Sublime Text 3. With Sublime Text, you can autofill the HTML thing, and it's pretty cool. So just Windows 64-bit, and that's what I'm using, but you have Linux as well over here, so it's more flexible as well. And this also it's not a bigger file as Notepad++, so you can download this as well. So that's it. And if you want, you can also use, if you're fine with it, you can also use your Notepad pre-installed on your system, but that will mean you don't have the you have to code like this. So when you're coding, what you want, I'll show you the difference in a second. In Notepad, you don't have lines separating, and you might not understand me now because you haven't really seen them if you're a beginner, but otherwise you would understand me if you have done a bit of coding in your past. You have lines here which divide, you have numbers on your left hand side to see how many codes line you have also autofill, and then it's just Notepad. I don't recommend Notepad, but if you just don't want to download anything, if you're not feeling safe, then, well, Notepad it is. So I'll also show you Sublime. So Sublime looks a little like this. So Sublime Text 3 is really cool. So it looks like this, and you have all these cool things here. So you have file, save, and it looks like this. So right now it's not autofilling because I haven't saved it as an HTML file. So let's save this as HTML file. Save as. I'll just save it as test.html. And I will just save it in my desktop. But while we're coding, we also want to have a good folder. Anyway, you see it turned pink. That's because I saved it as an HTML file. And now you have autofill like that. So guys, this is the end of today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. This is Coding Mania out.